It feels like we're walking the concrete jungles. Maybe not the jungle, but we're walking up a mountain with the path that we're trying to make ourselves. But it's just beautiful out here. Welcome back to another sweaty Saturday. And today I decided to take my family as well with me. And we found a nice trail near the mountains. Let me show you guys around. So far it's beautiful here. It's a great day today too. There's not much heat and the sun is still out, so it's nice. Well, for those who don't know, I actually live in Oregon. That's the reason why I'm able to enjoy such a nice, beautiful scenery every single time. As of today, we're in Washington. It's about an hour drive from where we are, but this is it. This is the beauty of it. Excuse me, I'm already sweating. But I just wanted to take the time to introduce myself. For those who don't know me, my name is Antonio, and everything we talk about on my channel is about fasting, nutrition, and fitness. And as you can see, we're doing a hike today with my family, and I consider that part of fitness. So if you have any questions or want to know more about my journey, feel free to drop a comment or a like or share, but all thoughts are welcomed. I'm telling you, those hikes can definitely become something very hard, very quick. I'm already sweating. It's been like an hour already, but beautiful pictures, beautiful scenery, and my family's enjoying it, so say cheers. Such a beautiful day, a great adventure, and I feel great. I exercised yesterday. I fasted all morning. My mental clarity is through the roof, and I'm having such an amazing time. Life does not get any better than this. Nature, family, they're up there already, but it's not getting better than this. So move up.